Hey guys, today I'm excited to show you the incredibly useful Mindomo, the all-new mind mapping app that allows you to plan, brainstorm, and organize your thoughts, study for tests, memorize information, and generate new ideas all in one easy-to-access location, and discover the many great features of Mindomo in this sponsored video, and discover how you can completely change the way you organize information with this incredible app. You can download Mindomo today for free in the description. All right, let's take a closer look. One of the best features of the app is its vast capacity for topics and subtopics that you can include. Start off in Mindomo by creating a map for a topic of interest. This might be an exam you're studying for, a job you want to get done, or anything you can think of. Once you've typed in your topic, use the branch and sub-branch buttons to generate new ideas to go off of. If you're writing a paper or doing something along those lines, you could break your mind map down into different sections you want to get into. You can also jot down potential areas of discussion, resources to look up, and other thoughts and ideas. For exams, you can list all of the different topics that you need to know and organize them by how familiar you are with the material. Whatever you can think of, Mindomo is the perfect place to take notes on it, and it provides a great visual map of your ideas. There's absolutely no limit to how many variety of topics and subtopics you could put into your map. So get creative and make your map as large as you want. If at any point you get lost, you can always press the center button to return back to your main idea or topic. With so many ways to organize and filter through information, Mindomo has something for everyone and is bound to help you jot down information faster and more efficiently. Another great feature of Mindomo is the customization tab, where you can personalize and design your map to your liking. You could customize the general layout of your mind map into different shapes, such as outbranching a web or a circle, whatever fits the ideas the best. You can also get the option to customize both the outline and fill colors with your topics, allowing you to color code different sections, which will allow you to make it more easier and simple to memorize. Once your map is complete, you can share it with others by exporting it to a PDF file or texting and emailing it. With so many valuable ways and uses, Mindomo gives users the best experience and is bound to be your new favorite app. Mindomo is unique, useful, and incredibly helpful and allows you to organize your thoughts for yourself like never before. Create flowcharts, study for exams, and brainstorm all in one secure location with the simple push of a button. Be sure not to miss out on this amazing app. You can download it for free using the link below. Enjoy.